Hi, this is Kevin McPartland, Director of Fixed Income Research at TABB Group. I'm here with James Cawley, the CEO of Javelin Capital Markets. Jamie, Javelin had a pretty big announcement today. Can you tell us a little bit about what went on?
Yeah, today we announced that in conjunction with the CME, Javelin had executed $4.1 billion of interest rate swap trades up and down the curve, 2s, 3s, 5s, 7s, and 10s. Average ticket was about $195 million. Executed at Javelin, cleared at the CME, with multiple multiple dealers in the buy side involved in these trades using our anonymous platform. The key thing about these trades, however, is the time at which it took for these trades to be accepted into clearing. So from the point of trade execution to the point of acceptance and notification on the client window was about 2 seconds, or about 1.92 seconds on average, with the fastest trade being about 1.32 seconds. So pretty quick. So I guess we're here to, it's real-time acceptance.
Right, so I guess there's two big pieces here, right? That certainty of clearing issue that you've dealt with, and then also some sort of the success and really some momentum for Javelin. But let's talk about the certainty of clearing first. So I mean, there's talk about whether we need certain, new tri-party agreements, or we need a central utility. I mean, what have you seen from this experience?
So there's been a lot of talk about the need to create some type of central clearing notification hub to margin check customers, on a pre and post trade basis as they engage and as we ease our transition over into a post Dodd-Frank cleared world for swaps. We along with many of the participants in these trades wanted to send a message, and that message is using existing plumbing at the CME, that there really is no need for tripartite agreements, and this talk of creating a central hub would be A, expensive, 2, timely, and 3, unnecessary. And that was the message that we wanted to send, that again, using existing plumbing.
So if these electronically traded contracts were accepted, and some of them just over a second, we're not a far cry from tens of milliseconds where this can go on.
That's exactly right. I mean, using 1.32 seconds is clearly a market first, and is clearly a standard for many other firms and clearing firms to beat. And we expect that the back of this discussion is now broken, and we're now into we should expect to see sub-second time. So give it 6-9 months, we should see it inside of 500, 600 milliseconds.
Which at this point should be well within the implementation times of the CFTC. So before people have to start trading, then all this technology will well be in place. I think that's an important point.
That's right. The CFTC came out and said with these rules in August, stating that whatever was technologically practicable. What we wanted to demonstrate was put a timestamp on what technologically practicable means. And I think the text, with the CME was to speak in terms of milliseconds or seconds, not hours or days. And we certainly, hopefully, I think with these trades demonstrated to regulators in the industry alike that technologically practical for now means 1.32 seconds. It's a time for everyone now to beat.
And then lastly, for Javelin, I mean, that's great. So you have, active trading on the platform. That's a big step even ahead of any final rules or mandates. Yeah,
it's been a very successful, as we wind down the year at Javelin, we've had a very momentous last few months as we've signed liquidity providers and agency swap brokers to our platform to enhance the liquidity on our platform. I think this is an endorsement of Javelin's progress so far. We still have a lot of wood to chop for next year as we come to market, but we're excited to do so, and we're going out on a high note.
Good. Well, we'll all watch with interest as this all evolves in the next couple of months.
Thank you.
Great. Thanks for being here. Again, this is Kevin McPartland, Director of Fixed Income Research at TABB Group, here with James Cawley, the CEO of Javelin Capital Markets. Thanks for watching.